Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the Corsair model and connection method, wired 3. 5mm, USB adapter, or wireless dongle. This determines the exact steps. Next, make sure your Ps4 system is updated and your dual shock 4 controller has enough battery. Plug the headset into the controller or insert the USB wireless adapter into a front USB port. Once done, set the controller as the primary input device, so the Ps4 recognizes audio from that connection right away. Now you configure Ps4 audio so sound and chat route to the Corsair headset. Go to Settings, Devices, Audio Devices. Set both input and output device to the headset, then adjust microphone level and output volume until voice and game sound are balanced. If you connected via USB, change output to headphones to all audio so game sound and chat both play. Make sure the physical headset volume and mute switch are correct. They override software. Finish by testing both game audio and chat. Join a party or launch a game and speak into the mic while checking audio levels. If sound is missing, first reset the 3.5mm plug or USB dongle and try a different USB port, then power cycle the Ps4. Many issues clear after a reboot. Also verify the headset isn't muted and check Corsair ICUE firmware on a PC if you have a wireless model. Updating firmware often resolves compatibility quirks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.